Another quick break. NBA Origins for the 2021 season. 2 autographs or memorabilia cards. Look for on-card rookie autographs. 7 cards total.
Do you know offhand how many of each there are? Because I'm opening sheets and renaming them. Is there one auto or is there multiple autos?
It just says 2 autographs or memorabilia.
Okay, so we're rolling dice. So it's probably 1 and 1 unless you get a RPA type thing. So because it does say 1 rookie autograph, including 1 rookie autograph on the GoGTS.net product page. So fingers crossed we get doubles. Fingers crossed they are incredible names. But these, have you looked at these yet, Rob? They look really good this year.
Well, I've always liked the Origins brand, so let's check.
But I did hear that the base cards are thin this year instead of thick like they have been historically. So, I see Memphis Grizzlies. Of course, that's last year's hits, right?
It's like what, 35 point? I don't know. Kawhi Leonard, beautiful base card. Nikola Jokic.
MVP.
Trae Young. Ooh, parallel. Kyle Lowry, numbered to 99. Jaren Jackson. I'm not even going to try.
Is it Poku?
An Atlanta Hawks rookie, numbered to 99.
Pretty sure.
Onyeka Okongwu.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we pulled one of him just last week, and I praised you for your...
All right. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a jersey auto of Cole Anthony. Rookie
So
Cole
that's
Anthony.
hilarious. I saw that Wax Museum podcast posted this earlier. Look closely at that card, Rob. First off, great hit, though. Starter, rookie that's exciting a lot of people. So that's a good hit to get from this. But look closely at that Cole Anthony. Do you see anything off base there?
Let's see. It's numbered to 75. Memphis Grizzlies Magic.
Yeah,
jersey.
so he plays for the Magic, but they put the Memphis Grizzlies logo on the card. Probably an uncorrected error, so probably not anything super fancy, but always kind of fun when you see something like that,
Absolutely. We'll go ahead and give both of the hits away from there. I know some people do like this young kid on the Hawks.